Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to fill text box background color in Canva. First, on the left hand side, click on Text tab. Choose a text element and add it to your document. Instead of using built-in text color option, consider using shape to create text box. Go to the Elements tab on the left hand side. Under Shapes, select the shape that suits your design. For example, choose rectangle. Click and drag the shape to create box around your text. Customize the shape color by selecting it and changing the color from the top toolbar. Double-click inside the shape to add edit text directly within the shape. Customize the text properties such as font style, color, size, alignment. You can further enhance the design by applying gradients, borders, or other styling option to the shape. Resize and reposition the text box as needed to fit your design. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking video.